Hi folks, Matt from the ranch, and wanted to bring to your attention, if you've not heard already, about our end of year campaign this year for 2024. Last year, you all were a wonderful blessing. God moved in a miraculous way. We were able to purchase the Conklin land, which is 94 acres. And one of the aspects of that property, which was great, is the house that sits on it. Now this house is over 100 years old, and our intention is to do a major renovation of it. That means taking it all the way down to the studs, addressing all the needs that it has, and then to move a staff family in, a family that needs to expand. So the Marshall family has been a wonderful asset to the ranch ministry for many years. They have 3 children, 1 on the way, and they're currently living in a home that doesn't accommodate that well. The Marshalls are known for their hospitality, and so one of the things we definitely want to do with this house is to encourage them, as we do all staff, with the ministry of hospitality. So it won't be just a renovation to the footprint of this building, it'll also be expanding it, allowing them to be able to host well. In addition to that, we've got to also consider the fact of access. So those monies are not just going toward the renovation of the home, it's also addressing things like the road that connects them to the ranch ministry and the road that connects them to the main road. Of course, the second way you can give is always toward the general fund at the ranch as well, and we appreciate you prayerfully considering it. We know that there's many ministries that you could give toward this year. We just ask that you prayerfully consider giving to the ranch this year. Thank you.